that is at the back of the camera right now. Okay. So, lahat ng elements na yan is naka-base na. Kung mapansin nyo kanina, di ba, meron akong parang base vanishing lines. Though we cannot see the vanishing point at the left, it can still be done. So right now, we're working with a neighboring building and we're also designing this one. Ang suggestion ko sa mga estudyante, kung trip nyo na makapag-design ng buildings, kailangan nyo mag-aral ng maraming building elements and try to somehow recall it through sketches. Kapag na-sketch nyo na yan once, madali nyo na ulit yan ma-sketch. So, mas madali sa inyong magtimpla ng perspectives, including the play of the elements. Okay? So, may mga estudyante nagtatanong pag minsan, Sir, bakit mabilis kong kumuha ng mga designs and so on and so forth? Because I have drawn a lot of designs already through simple sketches like this one. So, we're working with some depth. So, mapapansin nyo medyo may 3D na kasi nag-introduce na ng mga dark elements. So that will somehow give me a preview of the three-dimensional somehow effect or imagery. So ngayon yung mga nandun sa dulo na buildings, this is beyond the river.